This is end of April, and this is my first day arriving in my summer house, in my garden. Everything is nice and blooming, and yeah, spring is here. Very nice, very quiet. Now I just sit and enjoy my drink. Now I will show you what I have in my garden in April. What's blooming now? So this is, I start with trees. So this is plum tree. Uh, these plums are red color and yellow. So on the moment they have little blossoms. So this is my plum tree. My grandfather actually planted this maybe 20 years ago, something like that. It's just starting blooming. It's very big. It's like, it's more taller than my house. It's very tall, very huge tree. Okay. There is one more plum. And here is and and here is one more plum. One more plum. This plum I never eat. It has small yellow berry. No, not berries. No, yeah, like small yellow berries. Little plums. So double number two, because my neighbors start speak so loudly and I just can't. So this one another plum tree that I have. This plum has small yellow berries. They're not delicious, they're just more decorative. You can eat it, but I don't like it. But when it's blue, it's very pretty. And these are gooseberry bush, like gooseberries. I don't remember in English, but on the moment it's blooming everywhere. I don't know if you see that sun. It has these little flowers here. And at the moment it's busy. It's not bees, but bumblebees. Only bumblebees, could you imagine? In my garden, I actually don't have so much bees as I have hundreds of bumblebees. It's so amazing. I love bumblebees. They are very nice and friendly. You don't touch them. Hope you can see them. So this is bumblebee. So busy, so fluffy. Wow, amazing. So this little one is so beautiful. They're not aggressive. Wait. Yeah, they're not a bee immediately bite me, but yeah, but if you see bumblebee, they are more friendly, but don't touch them anyway. They're busy with them. There's butterfly also. These tools, I I plant in late autumn here. It must be here red tulips, only red, but I see that some will be yellow, but they must be red. There is one. This is silkberry tree. On the moment it's sleeping. If we go forward, and here I have more tulips, different species of tulips, also red, I think. And here I have new species of narcissus with orange inside. It's not orange, it's like salmon color. I mean, like this color. It's okay, next. And here is this classical nuts. These are yellow with close leaves, but these I will show you other time. I will come. I think I must come here after 1 week, and then all these tulips will be open already. And here is these little blue flowers, like little bells. These come very early, more early than narcissus. I think beginning of the or middle of the April they coming out. And these ones are like, I plant these like 50 of them. Last year was like carpet with these, but on the moment I see only these survived after winter, or maybe they are still sleeping or no, but they usually blooming now. I don't think they will bloom in May. Maybe will. We'll see. These flowers grow in forests, near forests, fields. These I didn't plant them here. They are nature bring it here, or birds bring it here, and they just grow here in my garden. Very nice. These also I didn't plant them. These are like weed, not weed, but they're like dandelions. They're like everywhere. One of the first spring flowers. So they are very pretty, and bumblebees and bees love them.